Hey everyone, today I'm going to make a quick video on this CH341A, a mini BIOS programmer. So anytime I wanted to upload a BIOS, I can't. Instead it shows this detection fail and could not find the chip. Also it's the same thing again and again and again. It's quite frustrating, but trying, you try and later on I found these all because of the incompatible software. So finally I got the software, which is here. Also the first thing I want to show here, the driver. The first thing you need is a driver. If not installing properly, then you can get the right BIOS. Here you just type CH341A driver, and then you will see the www.1transistor.eu, and you press here. You'll see everything, the details on the item. So tools and driver, you go to the second one, CH341PAR.exe file, and you also can see the bold letters at the end. This is the driver. If you're having problem with the driver, this will do. You just download and install it. Okay, the first thing, the driver, and second thing is the software. You need the right software to work the right. So you double click here. When you double click, so when you double click, it also comes with this kind of thing here. Software driver zip is dangerous, so Chrome has blocked it. I don't know what kind of dangerous it is, but I have done this. I have downloaded this, and so you go to your download section, and you will see this. There is actually 3 times I have downloaded this. So this is in the 7Z file. You have to open with the 7-zip file. Yeah, and then you get this installer. You double click here, double click, and then you'll something, and then you ask you to install the software, but I don't want to install because I have already installed this one. So you go to your local disk and go to the program files, and there you go, CH341P41 programmer. Click here and you will see this and the chip image. Click here, and then the software is here. This is, as you can see, first time you will see in the Russian language, probably from the Russia. So you go to the settings, the English, and this is in English now. So you have a file, chip, help, buffer, everything here. The same thing goes down here. So let's back to here, and this is the programmer, and these are for those other way alternatives thing. Even this is working. I could not get work from here, from this. I have soldered many chips here, and I used this, but it didn't work at all. Something wrong here, but this worked. So I'm gonna put this away, get rid of this. So as you can see, this is the bio chips here. I have soldered, and I have tried a couple of before, and it's all working. Finally. So there you go. Now the first thing what we do is determine the chip's type. So it successfully recognize this is a chip number, and read the chip. So this is the reading the chip. So now it's reading completely successfully. Now it's all good here. Verify the data buffer. Data buffer does not match the SPI chip. Maybe something wrong with the chip. Don't mind that. So also write a chip. You can write, you can erase, you can do from up here, either you can do from down here. It's all same. You can also save the file before delete, or before you try something new. You can save the file, and if your download is not worked, then you can bring your file and you can download again. So it's a pretty much handy. So this is a software which is finally worked for me, and I'll give the description below, so check this out. Okay, cheers.